When you've got a big job to do, you need the Mega Dumper. The Mega Dumper is the biggest in the Simpro range of bin tippers and handles an impressive 600 kilogram load capacity. The Mega Dumper is the perfect tipper for the big jobs in industries such as food production and waste management. The Mega Dumper has cradles to suit a range of international standard bins for industrial applications, including wheelie bins for waste and boxes and crates for food. Simply wheel the bin into the cradle, then close the door. Press and hold the raise button. The safety door locks as the cradle leaves the ground and cannot be opened again until the bin returns to ground level. The Mega Dumper's hydraulics do the heavy lifting for you, eliminating the risk of back injuries. Mega Dumpers use a gentle tipping action, which raises bins vertically to the height of the hopper, and then gently rolls them forward. The weight of the bin is always within the footprint of the machine, ensuring safety and stability in operation. When the bin gets to the top, release the button and allow the product to empty. Then simply press and hold the lower button, and the cradle lowers gently to the ground level. The safety door will now unlock automatically, and the door can now be opened and the bin removed. With a Mega Dumper, it really is that easy. There's no need to manually clamp the bins or to adjust the cradle for different bin sizes. Up to 2 smaller wheelie bins can be held by their wheels on either side of the cradle. Or, larger sized bins are held in place by the front lip and swing arm catches. The Mega Dumper tippers provide a perfect alternative to a conveyor system, especially where there are space constraints or when batch processing of high volumes is required. Mega Dumpers are virtually maintenance-free and made to last. With a galvanized mainframe and cradle, zinc-plated guarding, and weatherproof controls, the Mega Dumpers can even be used and stored outdoors indefinitely. Mega Dumpers are available in 3 standard tipping heights, 1.5, 1.8, and 2.1 meters, but can also be custom built with tipping heights from 800 millimeters to 8 meters or more to suit your application. Notice how floor space requirements do not change with increased tip heights. Mega Dumpers can be mains or battery powered, or even compressed air powered for use in hazardous areas. Full or partial stainless steel construction is available. Simpro machines have the option to be specified with advanced safety features, which allows them to achieve Safety Integrity Level 4 or Performance Level E with Category 4 circuit monitoring. This ensures compliance with international machinery guarding standards. The Mega Dumper is the combined result of over a quarter of a century of manufacturing experience, innovative design, quality components, and expert workmanship.